Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Cash App, and more specifically, I'm going to show you how to order a replacement Cash App cash card. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, why would you need to order a replacement Cash App card? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe the dog ate it, or maybe it's just not functioning correctly. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process, not a lot of steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. And it's all going to be handled here through the Cash App application. It's this green and white one right here. If you don't have this app already, check my video description. I'll try to leave a referral link there. I'm going to go ahead and open my Cash App now. Okay guys, I went ahead and opened up my Cash App, and this is the home screen. And here on the home screen, you can go ahead and request money from people. You can also pay people through Cash App right here. But if you want to order a replacement Cash App cash card, what you want to do is click on the little card icon here on the bottom left. I'm going to click there now. Okay guys, I went ahead and clicked on my Cash App cash card button, and this is what pops up. You're going to see an image of your Cash App cash card. But if you want to order a replacement Cash App cash card, what you want to do is go ahead and click on the image of your Cash App cash card. I'm going to click there now. Okay guys, I went ahead and clicked there, and then this pop-up is going to happen. So there's a couple of different things that you want to know. First off, if you're just simply replacing the Cash App cash card and you still have it in your possession, so again, that's if your dog ate it or just not functioning correctly, then you're going to want to choose this one, change card to sign. However, if you have completely lost your Cash App cash card or stolen, then you're going to want to choose this line. And again, the reason is if you have completely lost it, then you do not want to simply change your card to sign, because your Cash App cash card number would remain the same if you choose this one. If you choose this one, then your Cash App cash card number, expiration date, and 3-digit security card would then change, and that helps prevent any kind of fraud or someone else trying to use your Cash App cash card. So let me go ahead and click on this one just to show you what happens. I'm going to click on Report Card Lost or Stolen. Okay, I went ahead and clicked there. Next, this pop-up happens. So what you want to do is go ahead and choose which one applies to you. Card stolen or card missing. Missing could be you misplaced it or possibly you left it somewhere. Card stolen is if you know for a fact someone had stolen your Cash App cash card, like maybe it was included in your wallet and your wallet was stolen. You'll want to choose this one. Usually when you report a card stolen, you're going to look for a police report number. If a card's missing, then you're just going to go ahead and have the Cash App cash card number replaced. I'm not going to choose either one of them because I still have my Cash App cash card, but I just wanted to show you what happens when you click there. Let me go ahead and go back to the previous screen. Okay, here we are back on the drop-down menu. So if you still have your Cash App cash card in your possession and you don't need to change the number, you'll want to choose this one called Change Card Design. Now, keep in mind that Cash App cash card does charge $5 for this service. So if you're simply just changing the Cash App cash card just because it looks a little beat up, then you're going to have to pay $5 for it. Let me go ahead and click on this line now. Okay, I went ahead and clicked there, and next the screen pops up. So here you can go ahead and choose the design of your Cash App cash card, starting with the color of the card there. Once you've designed your new Cash App cash card, then you'll just follow the prompts along, and then that would be put together and mailed out to you. Again, I'm not going to replace or redesign my Cash App cash card. I just wanted to show you what the steps were. So that's the easiest way I know how to order a replacement Cash App cash card. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. But hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.